Welcome everyone to my new video on Polygon technical analysis and price discussion. Scrembo here from Emotionless Crypto Trading, as usually taking care about the data in the most rational way possible. 27th of April 2023, it seems like the market is having a huge volatility over the last day. Polygon has been surviving it. It's still down by 1.9%, but the last 7 days are actually the ones that have been suffering a little more, 9.3%. Compared to Solana, which is half of that, or Cardano is a lot less, it's actually half of Solana, 2.6. Ethereum sits better, and BTC actually sits in green. So there is a huge difference here between the cryptocurrencies in the top 10, and it seems like Polygon is going along the way with XRP or Dogecoin amongst the ones that are suffering a little more, including Polkadot, which is not having its best days. Now, before we get into the topic, make sure to subscribe to this channel and like the video. At the same time, if you're interested in AI trading with ChatGPT, check out our main YouTube channel. Links are in the description area and comments area, including the trading report we have with the performance on the weekly side, as well how you can participate. Option number 1 is based on no prior fee, only commission from the pure profits achieved, where everything is running outsourced with API permission trading. That's pretty much all, folks. We're going to talk about that at the end. However, Matic network, Polygon, is the main topic of the day for the 1 hour candlesticks. Now, what has happened here? The first thing that I'd like to underline is the fact that we're under heavy selling pressure during the whole structure after we broke below $1.10. And that's exactly, let me just take that out. That's exactly here, guys. Here. You see the trending line, that one, coming quite nicely, holding the structure of the market, giving the ability to build a higher structure in a triangle form at 1.15, 16, 17. But then, once the selling pressure has been triggered, you lost the moving averages. You came straight to the support line right there. You revisited, you broke below, and you started the snowball effect, which triggered a whole lot of the panic. It actually brought us quite low into a major support area on 95 cents. But that is in the lower side of the structure. So we were also having another one here that failed holding. It completely failed holding, which is not fine at all. But then what's happening? We had the green resistance line suppressing us again. And that's another process that is contributing to the whole story negatively. Till yesterday, where we had a massive breakout on the upper side, right there, which was across the whole crypto space, pumping us aggressively. What was the percentage? Let me just measure that here. What was the percentage? 11%, guys. 11% pump, aggressive movement, highly beneficial, but then straight afterwards we came back to the original level and we finally got supported by the previous resistance, actual support trending line, a good reaction point. But what has happened straight afterwards was a good of a imminent buying pressure in the place, but we're still under the 200 days moving averages, which is right now exactly on the $1.03 resistance zone. That's going to be quite measured and difficult to fight with. And I'm afraid if we revisit the 95 cents right now with Polygon quickly, we're going to have difficulties holding it right here in the lows. Real big time difficulties holding that level. And there's another thing, guys. Polygon is trading below the moving averages. 200 days, and then you have the 100 days, 50 days, and 20 days. You are trading below all of this. And that's not good, because that indicates the dominance of the bears in the current market situation. Like the video, guys, subscribe to find out more on next day's video sessions, including the ability for those of you interested in the AI trading to participate. Check out the links in the description area for more information. And if you would like to become a trader, or if you would like to improve your trading business, this is a one-on-one coaching directly with me live, which I'd like to describe. At the same time, if you would like to change the results of your performance, If you want to do day trading, swing trading, position trading as a full-time or part-time trader, I do have a one-on-one coaching directly with me where I'll take you by hand between 4 to 6 weeks and teach you in an intensive way how to do the whole process. This is starting from the fundamentals of the mindset mentality going towards the technical analysis, where the idea is to understand the language of the market and react to that language accordingly. It's quite simple. If you know what does the market tells you, you know how to react to that. It is a message. It tells you this is where I'd like to go. This is where I have total domination, which is why you need to uncrypt the language of the market perfectly in order to act correctly. Like if you're not correct in trading, if you're not accurate, you're not going to make money on the long term. Now, live trades are also part of the process. Day trades, swing trades, technicals, homework. I'm sharing with you my screen. I'm taking you through the whole process. If you want to be on a call for this one as well, just register now and you can qualify for a free conversation if you think it's interesting. You can read more about it and discover more. Have a good time, guys. Subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon.